Now the second type of questions asked from the topic are the questions on the similarity of the triangles. Okay, so either you have to show the two triangles as similar, and then some equations they might ask you to prove, or the relation between the different sides. So let us see the questions which are asked. So now this question is asked in 2019's exam. So the question says, in the figure, ACB is 90 degree, whereas CD is perpendicular to AB. Prove that CD square is equal to BD into AD. Now this is not a question of Pythagoras theorem, even though you see one side as square, because the other two sides single they have taken, they are not the squares, right? So let us write down whatever is given in the question. So given is angle ACB is 90 degree, and second thing is CD perpendicular to AB, and the equation to be proved, that is CD square is equal to BD into AD. Okay, so CD square is equal to BD into AD. So as you can see here, that if I wanted to show the equation as a proof, this is actually obtained when two ratios are obtained. That is, if I try to write down this in the way, see, CD square is equal to BD into AD. Okay, so CD square can be written as CD into CD, which is equal to BD into AD. Yes. So if I write it as, if I take the BD to this side, so you will get CD by BD equal to AD by CD. So where is CD and where is BD? So CD by BD is equal to AD by CD. So as you can see, CD is the common side for these two triangles. Okay, so the relation is actually between these two triangles. So first of all, you should be thinking, can I show these two triangles as similar? Now you can show them similar if you have any two angles also as equal. Now both the triangles is having one angle 90 degree which is equal. But other than this, they don't have any angle which is equal. Neither we have any relation with respect to their sides. It means I cannot show these two triangles similar to one another, but I can show this triangle similar to outer triangle, whereas this triangle similar to outer triangle, isn't it? So if ADC is similar to ACB and BDC is also similar to ACB, so from that two similarities you will get two equations, and then we can equate that equations. Okay, so did you understand why we are going for showing the smaller triangle and the greater? Because these two triangles cannot be shown similar directly, and we want the relation between these two triangles itself. Okay, so let us show the triangle ADC and ACB. So in triangle ADC and triangle ACB, now angle A is equal to angle A because that is the common angle, whereas angle ADC is equal to angle ACB because both are 90 degree. So now two angles you have got as equal. So I can write triangle ADC is similar to triangle ACB, and therefore I can say AD by AC is equal to CD by BC, or DC by BC, you can write it any order. So CD by BC. Okay, because the triangles are similar, therefore their sides are also proportional. Now let us show the another triangle similar with the outer triangle. So which is the triangle? Triangle BCA and BDC. So in triangle BCA and triangle BDC. Again, there is one common angle, that is angle B. So common angle, whereas there is one angle which is 90 degrees. So angle BCA equals angle BDC, and both are 90 degree. Therefore, triangle BCA is similar to triangle BDC by AA similarity. Here also I have forgotten to write AA similarity. Yes. What next? Again I can write the equation which says AC by CD, AC by CD is equal to BC by BD. Again, since the two triangles are similar, so their sides are proportional. Now I have got these two equations. Now coming back to our equations, I want side CD, BD, AD and CD. So CD, BD, AD and CD. So I don't want ACBC. Here also I don't want ACBC. So what if you rearrange this ratio or this proportionality so that you get AC and BC on one side, whereas AD and CD on another side. So let us take CD to this side. So I will get AD by CD is equal to AC by BC. Let us mark this as equation 1. Here also I want AC by BC. So shift this BC to this side. You will get AC by BC equal to CD by BD. Equation number 2. So now as you can see in this two equation, AD by CD is equal to AC by BC, whereas AC by BC is also equal to CD by BD. So can I write from equation 1 and 2, these two will be equal to one another? Yes. So from equation 1 and 2, AD upon CD is equal to CD upon BD. Let us cross multiply. CD into CD is CD square equal to AD into BD or BD into AD. The order which is present in the question, write accordingly. So hence we have got our proof. Okay. So you have to just show two triangles similar. First ADC and ACB and second BDC and BCB. When you show them similar, you will get a relation of their sides, proportional sides. Yes, and then AC and BC will be the common side because you are showing them similar to the outer triangle. So the sides of the outer triangle will be similar to both the triangles, and then you can equate them and get the required solution. Next question, again on similarity. In figure, angle CAB, I have named it as angle 1, is equal to angle CED, that is angle 2. So that is your given, which says angle 1 is equal to angle 2. Yes. Further, you have to prove AB into DC is equal to ED into BC. So AB, DC, ED and BC. So AB and BC are sides of triangle ABC, whereas DC and ED are sides of triangle CED. So if I show that respective two triangles are similar, I can get the required proof. Let us write down what is to be proven. It is AB into DC equal to ED into BC. Okay, one angle is equal, that I already know. Which is the another angle which is equal? As you can see, angle C is the common angle present in both the triangles. So what would be the order in triangle CAB and triangle CED? So this is actually a big hint for you to what should be the order of the triangles. If in the triangle itself they have given one angle as equal, just take the triangles in the same order so that you will get the solution or the equation properly. So angle CAB is equal to angle CED. Further, you can directly write angle C is equal to angle C. Now this is your given, whereas this is your common angle. And hence I can say triangle CAB is similar to triangle CED by AA similarity. Yes. So what can be written next? AB I want, so I will write AB upon ED is equal to, after AB I want DC and DE. So accordingly see the sides. ED I have written, AB I have written. Now I want CD and BC. So BC is part of this triangle. So BC upon this DC. So just now cross multiply them. AB into DC is equal to ED into BC. That's it. Hence proved.